What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today's day 10 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel, basically for the entire month of June, I'll be posting a productivity challenge every single day that is going to help you get your life together. So I will leave the series playlist linked down below so you could go ahead and check out the rest of the challenges that we did so far. Before I let you know what today's challenge is, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It is my only form of social media and I have so much exclusive lifestyle content over there, and I love responding to all of your messages about how your challenge is going. So today's challenge is something that you might actually have to do tomorrow, or you can do it if you're watching this video really early in the day. But it's basically to track your entire day from the moment that you get up to the moment that you go to sleep. So it's basically a time audit where you're going to find out where the heck is your time going. So you're going to be doing it hour by hour if you would want, or you can literally just keep timing. So you wake up, okay, so you wake up at 7:30, 8 o'clock you ate breakfast and you got ready, and by 7:30 you were at work. So from 7:30 to 9 you were organizing your office maybe, or you were going to school. From 9 a.m. to 10 o'clock maybe you worked on a lab report or something like that. So you're basically going to see exactly where your time is going and exactly how you're spending your time, and you're going to account for it for every single hour, including all of the scrolling that you might do, all of the napping that you might do, eating, anything like that. You're just going to audit and see by the end of the day exactly where your time is going, and maybe see how you can organize your time better to get more things that you want to get done. For the love of the city, stop. And you're gonna actually see that you have more time than you think you do, because sometimes an entire day passes and we have no idea what we did for the entire day and no idea where our time went. Like, I feel like this a lot of times, and I know that I'm not the only one. So you're actually going to be accountable for how you spend your time, and hopefully this is going to make you really aware that you actually have so much time to be getting your goals done and following your dreams, instead of always wondering where your time is going. So I also have a free printable on my blog. I will link it down below and you can check it out, and it's gonna have an hour by hour time from like 5 a.m. straight until like 12, until the day is over, so that you can account for your time and see what you're doing and where your time is going. And remember, if you can't get it done today, maybe you can do it tomorrow and see what's really going on with your time. And this can actually help you for the rest of the productivity challenge in case you think that you don't have the time. These challenges basically take maybe 15 minutes to an hour, so you definitely have the time to do it. So comment down below and let me know where your time is going. What are you spending your time on? And if you have any tips on how you're gonna better manage your time, definitely leave it in the comments down below so you can help someone else who is also trying to get their life together. So if you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to the rest of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It honestly means so much to me, and it lets me know that you want to keep seeing videos like these. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.